First of all, in this video, I'm not going to share any tips or tricks that will increase your followers or connections for a short amount of time. Instead, I will be sharing only genuine, authentic content that would help you to increase your connections and followers and also take the benefit from them. Also, in the end, I would show you one personal result that I have achieved by following all these methods that I have discussed in this video. So, do follow till the end and try to apply as much of them as possible. Let's get started. So the thing is, you want to gain connections and followers, right? So what does this "you" means on LinkedIn? It definitely means your profile. So you need to start working on your profile as soon as possible. So you must have a professional photo of yours on the profile along with proper headline and use proper keywords in the headline that highlight yourself. Also write about your skills, your summary in a proper format and easy to read for anybody. Also, if you see in LinkedIn, there are special sections given for your education, for your experience and various other things. You need to find out this, write proper details and fill it out properly because these are going to help you a lot in future. Anybody who comes to you will see your profile first, and they will see all the things you have done, where you have studied, what you have achieved and all those things. And based on this, they will make the decision of connecting with you or following you. Number 3 is to create engaging posts and share them with people. Like sharing an informative article, post or updates might give you an edge over others because you are continuously engaged with your following and you are keeping up with them. And whenever you share your post, try to attach an image or a video with it because multimedia posts like images and videos can easily capture the user attention to read your post and to scroll through it. Also, LinkedIn is a place where long form of content is very much promoted. If you write a long post, it will be more promoted as compared to a shorter one. And if you cannot get time for writing a post or creating it, then there is an option to repost the post of somebody where you can easily repost their post and the post will be reshared with your comments on it and from your own profile. Next, and one of the most important point is to connect with people. You must try to connect with all the people whom you have ever worked with or all those people who are known to you. And there is one more option on LinkedIn which most people don't figure out, is you can send connection requests to people with personalized message. Because of this, you get a chance to say whatever you feel to them, and by saying a few words with sending your connection request will increase the chances of your connection being accepted. And try to connect with all the people and most of them who have shared interest and vision, like the people you are working in your office or the people who have shared interest to you but are at different places. They can help you to gain more opportunity in your field of experience. The next thing is to participate in groups. This one worked out well for me. When I joined a group, I posted some of the content there and then I was easily able to get more likes and followings because the group was very vast and my post was able to reach many people. Next is to engage with others. You need to like the post that you really like. And also you can share them with your friends and others. Also, messaging people and writing genuine comments on the post is very important because if you write for somebody today, they would take an initiative to write for you tomorrow. So this is a give and take game. And the next and the most important thing is to be patient with your expectations. If you post something today and tomorrow you will grow on LinkedIn, this is not really possible. Because this is something that takes time, and also along with the time it also requires patience and efforts. All these things when put together will compound and give you a return that you have never ever imagined. And if you are ready for this, write down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next one.